Hello friends, in this video we will learn about Python programming for beginners and for class 11th and also for class 10th revision to part 1. Objective. Objective of this video is we will learn basic Python language. This video is very helpful for Python beginners for class 11th student CBSE and class 12th student CBSE. Introduction. Python programming language is developed by Claudio van Rossum in earlier 1990. Now it is very popular language. With the help of this language, we can create multiple types of application, web pages, data analysis, graph, and others. Token in Python. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as token or lexical unit. Python has following tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. Keywords. Keywords is the word which having special meaning reserved by programming language. It has special meaning. Special meaning that means it has some procedure, some program, some instruction. Python programming language contains the following keywords: false, non, true, and, as, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, try, while, with, or you. These are the keywords. Identifiers. Identifiers are the user-defined words, names for variables, object, class, function, list, dictionary, and so forth. Some of the rules for creating an identifier user-defined word: it must not be a keyword, that is, must only be non-keywords. Must not include space, do not include space while creating identifiers. Contains only letters, numbers, and underscore. There are no special characters can be used in combination of identifiers except underscore. Cannot begin with numbers. Python is case sensitive and it treats uppercase and lowercase differently. Following are the some example of valid and invalid identifiers. See invalid identifiers. There is data minus rec. That means minus is this use minus sign, that is invalid. 29. 29 is the starting digit number, so it is also invalid. Break. Break is a keyword, hence it is also invalid. My file, my dot file dot is a special characters, and these are the valid identifiers. Literals. Literals are the fixed values, constant values. The literals are data items that have fixed constant values. Following are the literals. Number one, string. String means combination of character. Hello world. Hello world is a string. A string can be enclosed with single quotes or in double quotes. Multiple strings that will include enclosed in triple quotes in multiple lines. Literal values. Numeric literals. Integer literals means integer numbers, and octal integer, hexadecimal integer. Octal integer can be written as 0, O, and the octal number, and the hexadecimal written as 0 and X, then hexadecimal number. Floating point number, and floating numbers, real numbers, and in form of exponent. Complex number, complex form in the form of A plus Bj, that is 3 plus 4j. In this complex number, 3 is a real number and 4 is the imaginary part, that is complex number. Boolean literals true and false are the Boolean literals, and special literal non. Python has a special literal non. Python can also store literal collections in the form of tuples and list, etc. Operators. Operators are the token that trigger some computation action when applied to variable and other objects in an expression. For example, assignment operator, arithmetics operator, arithmetics of assignment operator, arithmetic operators are plus, minus, star for multiplication, slash for division, percentage sign for modular division, it will return remainder. Double star is used for exponent a power b, and double slash is a floor division. Arithmetic assignment operator basically a shorthand operator, plus equals to, minus equals to, star equals to, and so on. Relational operator, greater than, less than, double equals to, less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals to. Logical operator and or, membership operator in, not in, identity operator is not, shift operator, these are binary operators, uh, right shift and left shift, bitwise operator, and, not, and or. Punctuators. Punctuators are the symbols that are used in programming language to organize sentence structures and indicates the rhymes and emphasis of expression, statement, and program structure. For example, comma, dot, single quotation, slash, parenthesis, braces, bracket, at the rate, colon, single quotation, double quotation, equal sign, and hash are the punctuators. First Python code here, print hello, I am programming, I am in um, Python programming language, hello in Python programming language, you can type in print. You can see the example in Python code. Let us see, here it is, print, write anything, any message, hello in, hello in the Python programming. Programming. The message will display. Now we can use some operators. Assignment a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Now we can use some arithmetic operators such as a plus b, result will get a minus b, we will get. Now we use a modular division by b, we will get remainder, in this program. Now a divided by b, we will get this, and a slash slash, that is floor division, divided by b, will get integer value. This is the basic difference. A divided by b, we will get this. If a floor divided by, we will get this. If we a modular divided by b, we will get remainder. There are three division operation, and now the power operation, the explanation operation operator, a star star b, that is 10,000. Okay. If a greater than b, that will return true. A less than b, it will return false. And if we use AND operation in binary, a and b, it will return 2. This is in binary. Convert 10 into binary and 3 into binary. Now perform a and b, you will get 2. Answer 2. A and b. You will get a and b, answer is equal to 2. These are the operators. So we see this print and we will use some operators in Python. Thanks.